The US economic growth for this year has been given the biggest downgrade among the advanced economies by the IMF, that is International Monetary Fund, due to the uncertainty caused by the tariffs. Also, the growth is expected to be 1.8% this year, down from the IMF that is estimate of 2.7% for the US in January. The sharp increase in the tariff and the uncertainty will lead to a significant slowdown in the global growth, the fund predicts. Also, the major forecast of the United States and the UK has also been on the cut, while the economy now expects a growth of 1.1% this year. But the IMF has predicted that the UK's economic growth will be stronger than Germany, France and Italy, and the inflation in the United Kingdom, however, will be the highest in the world's advanced economies at 3.1% this year, largely due to higher bills including more energy and water need. Also, the prediction comes as the top economic policy makers gather in the Washington for the spring meetings of the IMF and World Bank. IMF chief economist, that is Pierre Oliver Gruchilas, also said that the global economy still bears significant scars from the severe shocks of the past 4 years. It is now being severely tested once again, he added. On Tuesday, the United States President Donald Trump said that he had no intentions of firing the Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell after heavily criticizing him. Concerns that Trump may try to sack Powell sparked a sell-off in the markets in the recent days. Trump has made a flurry of announcements on the tariff this year, taxes charged on the goods brought into the United States from other countries. In the growing trade war, the US has placed tariff of up to 145% on the Chinese goods, while the China has hit back with 125% levies on the US products. The US has also introduced a 10% tax rate on the goods and from the vast majority of other countries, while pausing much higher rates for the dozen of nations for 90 days.